As we get older, our bodies naturally start to lose muscle, a process known as sarcopenia. After 60, this loss can become more noticeable, leading to slower movement, poor balance, and even an increased risk of falls. But here's the hopeful truth: it doesn't have to stay that way. Science shows that no matter your age, even in your 70s, 80s, or beyond, you can rebuild muscle and regain strength. You don't need a fancy gym, expensive equipment, or high-impact routines. What you truly need are gentle, targeted exercises that strengthen the muscles that matter most for daily life. In this video, we'll walk you through the 5 most effective exercises to rebuild muscle after 60, simple, safe, and joint-friendly movements you can do right at home. Plus, we'll share a bonus tip to help you maximize your results through smart nutrition. So if staying strong, balanced, and independent matters to you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Vital Years, where every week we share science-backed health and fitness tips designed especially for older adults who want to live longer, healthier, and more confident lives. 1. Sit-to-stands. The first exercise is called sit-to-stands, and it's one of the simplest yet most powerful moves for regaining lower body strength. It targets your thighs, hips, and glutes, the exact muscles you use every time you stand up from a chair, bed, or toilet. Think of it as training your body for real life. To do this, sit in a sturdy chair with your feet flat on the ground and your arms crossed over your chest or stretched forward for balance. Push through your heels and slowly stand up, keeping your back straight. Then, lower yourself down with control. Repeat this for 8 to 12 times and rest before your next set. If it feels challenging, you can use your hands for support until you get stronger. Over time, you'll notice standing up feels easier, a clear sign that your strength and independence are improving. So start today. And if you're finding this helpful so far, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to Vital Years, your trusted guide to aging strong and steady. 2. Wall push-ups. The second exercise is wall push-ups, a great way to strengthen your chest, shoulders, and arms without putting too much strain on your joints. A strong upper body helps you lift, push, and carry everyday items, whether it's groceries, doors, or even a grandchild. Stand facing a wall with your arms extended and your palms flat at shoulder height. Step back just enough so you can bend your elbows comfortably as you bring your chest toward the wall. Then, push back to your starting position. Try 10 to 15 repetitions at your own pace. If it's too easy, take a small step back. If it's too hard, step closer. What's most important is steady, consistent effort, not speed. When you commit to even a few minutes each day, you'll notice your arms feeling firmer and your posture improving. Keep going, and you'll feel stronger with every push. And remember, at Vital Years, we believe strength doesn't fade with age. It simply needs to be reawakened. 3. Seated leg extensions. The third exercise is seated leg extensions. This movement helps strengthen your quadriceps, the muscles in the front of your thighs that play a huge role in walking, climbing stairs, and maintaining balance. Sit tall in a sturdy chair and straighten one leg until it's parallel to the floor. Hold it for a couple of seconds, then lower it slowly and switch legs. Do 8 to 12 repetitions per leg. You can increase the challenge by adding light ankle weights once you feel ready. This gentle motion not only builds strength but also supports knee health and stability. If you've ever struggled to rise from a seat or climb stairs comfortably, this simple move will make a big difference over time. If you're finding these tips useful, take a quick moment to subscribe to Vital Years, because every week, we share powerful yet gentle ways to keep your body active, flexible, and full of life. 4. Heel raises. Next up is heel raises, a small but mighty exercise for your calves and ankles. These muscles are essential for staying balanced while walking or standing for long periods. Stand behind a sturdy chair and place your hands lightly on the backrest. Slowly lift your heels off the ground, rising up onto your toes. Hold for a couple of seconds at the top, then gently lower back down. Try doing this 10 to 15 times for a few sets. If standing feels challenging, you can perform this same motion while sitting. It's still effective and safe. The more you practice heel raises, the more control and stability you'll notice in your steps. This simple exercise can greatly reduce your risk of falls, one of the biggest concerns for seniors. Remember, at Vital Years, we believe balance isn't just physical. It's the key to freedom and confidence as we age. 5. Gentle marching in place. Our fifth exercise is gentle marching in place. This easy movement is wonderful for improving coordination, circulation, and cardiovascular health. It also works your core, hips, and legs at once, a great all-around exercise for staying mobile. To do this, stand tall and, if needed, hold onto a chair or wall for support. Lift one knee toward your chest, lower it, and repeat with the other leg, like a slow, steady march. Keep it going for about 30 to 60 seconds, rest, and repeat 2 or 3 times. If standing is too difficult, you can march while sitting. It still helps increase blood flow and joint flexibility. This exercise not only wakes up your muscles, but also energizes your body for the day. So whenever you feel sluggish, just start marching. Your future self will thank you. 6. Bonus tip: fuel your muscles with protein. Now here's a crucial but often overlooked tip. Rebuilding muscle isn't just about movement, it's also about nutrition. After your exercises, make sure to give your muscles what they need to repair and grow: protein. Try having a protein-rich snack within 30 to 60 minutes after your workout. Some great options include Greek yogurt with berries, a protein smoothie with banana and spinach, eggs on whole grain toast, or tofu with vegetables. Protein gives your body the building blocks it needs to get stronger every single day. At Vital Years, we always emphasize that fitness and food go hand in hand. When you combine both, the results are powerful: more strength, more energy, and a more active life. Your path to strength and independence. Let's quickly recap. Muscle loss after 60 is common, but it's not permanent. With consistent movement, smart nutrition, and patience, your body will respond. The 5 gentle exercises we covered: sit-to-stands, wall push-ups, seated leg extensions, heel raises, and gentle marching, can help you stay strong, mobile, and independent for years to come. Add in protein after your workouts, and you'll accelerate your results safely and naturally. And remember, you're not on this journey alone. Join our growing community by subscribing to Vital Years, your home for science-backed health, fitness, and wellness tips for older adults. We're here every week to help you stay strong, steady, and confident in your body. So, which of these exercises will you try first? Tell us in the comments below. Your story might inspire someone else to start today. If you found this video helpful, please hit like, share it with a friend, and subscribe to Vital Years for more easy, effective routines designed for healthy aging.